going on, people? Alright, what do we got now? What do we got? Just got this mail in right here. You guys can see that. This is basically a I went to an online website and bought this Radiance box. Let me crack this open for you. Let's take a look. Cut this open real quick. Oh wow. Look at this packaging material right here. Shredded information. Okay. Hey, whatever works. Alright. Here we go, baby. Look at that. Radiance. Let me get these cars out the way. You know that's right. You know that's right. Okay, let's get it cracked. Oh, first and foremost, let's get it on with Mojo Juice. Taste that mojo, baby. And shout out to homeboy In the Clutch. In the Clutch. Look at his website. I'll put it over here. In the Clutch. Right on LeBron's chinny chin chin. Alright. Look at his videos, man. He's got nice box break videos. And he's also sell some sell some boxes too, man. Whatever you want. Basketball, football, baseball. He's got it all. Go to his website. Go to his eBay. You know how that works. Shout out to what is it, popculture.com too, man. These are the ones who got me this. There we go. Let's crack it open. Get some video. Got some videos in the background. So I apologize for the back sound. Alright. What? Empty? There you go. It's a really cool box, man. Look at that. I like it. I like it. Alright, here we go. 3 packs. Radiance, nice. Let me get a swig of my Mojo Juice real quick. Get the mojo going. Here we go. Let's get it cracking, baby. Last time I got one of these, I pulled a Michael Jordan base card. It was a base card sealed number, but it was nice though. You know, it's really nice Michael Jordan card. Even for a base, it'd be nicer if it was signed. All right, first one. Let's get it cracking. Okay, here we go. Michael Jordan. This is one of his, I guess, legacy cards. Oh yeah. Okay. This is Devin Harris. Devin Harris. 172 out of 99. Nice. Okay. Yi Zhenlin. That's all that about, but there you go. It's pretty cool. Looks nice. What we got here? Dante Green from the Sacramento Kings. Alright, next. Oh, let's see what we got. It's a sweet shot of. Oh, what else? It's Marvin Williams. That's it. Alright. Not that exciting, but alright. Looks nice. Not bad. Not serial number, but it's an autograph either way. Okay. Let's put that to the side. Let's get it cracking. There we go. Another legacy card there. Oh, Brad Miller. Some Michael Jordan legacy. I don't know if anybody really collects these, but I have quite a few of them in my own collection. But anyway, what's this right here? $2.99. Brad Miller. Lamar Odom. Nice. Next. Okay, it's a rookie card of Roy Hibbert, and this one's numbered to $2.99. Alright, next card is a decoy. So nothing on that one. Hopefully I get something big. What's Rack City Beard? Rack City Beard. Alright, last pack. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully this one will yield something nice. Okay, there's another Jordan. Okay. Josh Smith. I like Josh Smith. He's a good player. 48 out of 299. Okay, here we go. Boom. Oh, Mari Chalmers. Nice. I only wish the best for Mari Chalmers right here. He's one of my good players, actually. Okay. Nice. Okay, diplomatic of Richard Hendricks. That's horrible. Not that great of a box break, but alright. What are you gonna do? Let's see what we got. A recap. Richard Hendricks. Rookie card of Mario Chalmers. Okay. Rookie card of Roy Hibbert. Right. Sweet shot signature of Marvin Williams. And Dante Green. You know that's right. Okay. You guys have a good one.